What makes the Indian Constitution different from others? Ever wondered how our Indian Constitution differs from the Constitution of any other country in this world? Let's discuss. Watch this video till the end to know a very interesting fact about our Constitution. Our Constitution has many important points that make it unique. The major ones are that it is the living, mixed, longest and written constitution applicable for Union and all the states. What do we mean when we say living, mixed, longest and written? While living, it is a living and flexible document, which means through constitutional amendments we can add, modify, replace and delete articles without affecting the basic structure of the constitution. The Soviet Union had 4 constitutions in 74 years. In 1918, 1924, 1936 and 1977. France has had 5 constitutions since the French Revolution. In 1793, 1848, 1875, 1946 and 1958. India thus has only one, because the Indian Constitution accepts the necessity of modifications through the changing needs of the society, and there has been enough flexibility of interpretation in the actual working of the Constitution. As it is called supreme law of the land, it is above the ordinary law. However, it is sufficiently flexible as well. The Constitution can be amended in 3 different ways that we can discuss in another video. Now, why it is called mixed? Major parts of the Constitution are taken from the Government of India Act 1935. But the Indian Constitution has also adopted many features from Constitution of US, Japan, Australia, Germany and Ireland. So yes, it is borrowed, but not completely, and also not a blind copy-paste from other mentioned constitutions, as it is modified to suit our nation's cultural diversity. An example of original provision is that abolition of untouchability, because it is not allowed in Indian culture. Longest. The Constitution of India is the bulkiest written constitution in the world. Sir Ivor Jennings, one of the members of Constituent Assembly, declared this. Indian Constitution covers every aspect of the life. Every institution, every law, every right comes from it. As mentioned earlier, by amending it we can continue to add new articles as needed via Parliament. Written. Do you know why the constitution of some countries is called written whereas others are called unwritten, despite both being well documented? A written constitution is a constitution that has all its provisions codified in a single document. Whereas an unwritten constitution doesn't imply that it is not written anywhere, it is written but not in a single document, or can simply be referred to as uncodified. Great Britain and Northern Ireland do not have a documented constitution, but ours is. Let me tell you a very interesting fact about our constitution. The Constitution of India was handwritten and well calligraphed in both English and Hindi, but not typeset or printed. The original copies are kept in special helium-filled cases in the library of the Parliament of India. For more such content, keep watching Bbeing and make sure
whatever